How to fix disable Instagram ad account. So in order to fix this issue, what you want to do is, first of all, head over to your application Instagram. So if you are already logged into your account, then what you want to do is, head over to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. It will open up your settings page of Instagram. Now scroll all the way down, and in the section of More Information and Support, you have to click on Help, and then tap on Support Request. Head over to Violation. It will be landing you on this page. So if you have done any of the activities that is against the community guidelines of Instagram, then account might get disabled. If it has been disabled, then it will appear on this page. You will also get to see the option where it says Appeal. All you want to do is click on it, and then you have to move to the further process to appeal. After that, your account might get fixed, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix disable Instagram ad account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.